Imagine the entire universe exploding into existence, not slowly, but faster than the speed of light. A cosmic balloon expanding in a trillionth of a second. This moment, called cosmic inflation, is still one of the biggest mysteries in science. What caused it? What powered it? And what does it reveal about hidden universes, quantum secrets, and the fate of everything? Today, we're exploring 10 mind-bending theories about cosmic inflation, each one stranger and more unbelievable than the last. So sit tight, because what you're about to hear may change the way you think about reality itself. First, the most accepted idea: standard inflation. According to this theory, the universe expanded rapidly due to a mysterious energy field. In less than a blink, the cosmos grew from smaller than an atom to cosmic scales. This explains why the universe looks smooth and uniform today. But here's the twist. Scientists still don't know what triggered this runaway expansion, or why it stopped. Next is the false vacuum theory, which claims the early universe was stuck in a high-energy state, a false vacuum. Like a marble resting on a flat spot instead of rolling down the hill, this unstable state suddenly collapsed, releasing unimaginable energy. This triggered inflation and created the universe we see today. If true, the vacuum could collapse again someday, instantly rewriting the laws of physics. Imagine inflation never stopping, only slowing down in certain regions. This is eternal inflation, where our universe is just one bubble in an ever-expanding cosmic foam. New universes keep forming endlessly, meaning the multiverse might not be science fiction. It could be the natural result of inflation. If multiple bubble universes form during eternal inflation, each bubble could have its own physical laws, its own constants, maybe even its own version of you. Some may be filled with stars, some entirely dark, and some collapsing the moment they form. Cosmic inflation might be the engine creating these infinite realities. At small scales, reality flickers with quantum energy. According to this theory, inflation began as a tiny quantum fluctuation, like a ripple in the quantum ocean, that exploded into an entire universe. This means the universe may not need a creator, a cause, or even a reason. It simply emerged from the laws of physics. In this model, inflation wasn't an instant explosion, but a controlled drop in energy. The inflation field slowly rolled down a slope, powering a more gradual, but still insanely fast, expansion. This idea beautifully matches what we observe in the cosmic microwave background. Tiny temperature fluctuations seeded the galaxies we see today. The chaotic inflation theory says the universe didn't begin from a perfect state. Instead, it was messy, wild, and chaotic. Random quantum fluctuations determined where inflation began, how intense it was, and where new universes formed. This chaotic model also naturally leads to a multiverse, each universe with a completely different cosmic history. Here's where things get wild. The Ekpyrotic theory suggests inflation wasn't caused by energy fields, but by two higher-dimensional universes colliding. The crash produced the Big Bang. If true, we live on a three-dimensional brain floating inside a much larger multidimensional space. This mind-bending idea claims our universe is like a hologram. Inflation didn't happen in 3D space, but on a 2D surface at the edge of the universe. Everything we see, the galaxies, stars, planets, is just a projection. Holographic inflation could solve multiple cosmic mysteries at once, including dark energy and the shape of the cosmos. After inflation stopped, the universe was freezing, empty, and smooth. So where did all matter come from? The reheating theory proposes that as inflation slowed, it released an enormous burst of energy, transforming into particles, radiation, and eventually stars and planets. This moment was the true birth of the cosmos we know. So what really caused cosmic inflation? Was it a quantum fluctuation, a false vacuum collapse, a collision of universes, or something we haven't even imagined yet? Inflation solved many cosmic mysteries, but it opened even bigger ones. And as new telescopes decode the cosmic microwave background, we may be closer than ever to discovering the truth. Until then, remember, our universe might be just one chapter in a much bigger cosmic story. Thanks for watching. If you love exploring the unknown cosmos, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because more mind-blowing space mysteries are coming soon.